So you want to have a deeper voice for whatever reasons, to sound more attractive, to sound more confident, or to generally have a voice that people would like to listen to. Now, funny enough, when I was in high school, my parents sent me to a musical academy, and I used to be in a choir, which means a bunch of kids singing some songs in unison. And I used to be in the first voice group, and then there's bass and there's baritone and all this, but I used to be the guy who used to sing very high notes. And I thought back then, okay, this is settled, my voice is gonna be high because, well, you're obviously practicing it and you generally have a high note, that's it. But as puberty hit, and then after puberty my voice changed, I realized that my voice was still kinda high and I didn't really like it that much. So what I did was, I did do a couple of fixes and also some exercises that helped me to make it a bit deeper and just to change it. I'm pretty sure they helped me to improve my voice, and I'm gonna share those exercises with you in this video. Also, we're gonna go over a couple of fixes that you can do. They're very easy and they don't even take any time. So let's hop right into it. Number 1, take a deep breath. As obvious as it sounds, this is the 50% of the deal. Take a deep breath. By taking a deep breath, you're letting oxygen go into your body. You're letting oxygen come into your chest, and then you control everything. You're in control of the situation and you're in control of your body as well as your breath. Taking a deep breath ensures you're already 50% there, and you don't really have to do a lot of stuff to make it a bit deeper. Now, number 2, slow it down. Ladies and gentlemen, there's a big difference between me speaking like this and then speaking very fast because I don't have enough oxygen and I'm gonna run out of air. So when you speak like that, you don't have enough oxygen and breath work to work with, which automatically makes you sound higher. Instead, what you wanna do is slow it down. When you slow it down, it just means you're in control, you have enough oxygen, you have enough air, and you're just comfortable with you being in whatever situations you are in. So just by slowing it down and having a deep breath, I'm pretty sure you're gonna be more than 50% there. Alright, so let's jump right into the exercises, shall we? So the very first exercise I tried was when I was 16, and I found it on the internet online. And it was a very simple one, yet very effective. And disclaimer, this might be cringy, so take it at your own risk. So the exercise goes like this. You basically do some deep chanting. Basically what you're doing is you're trying to hit those low notes and then also practice and stretch your muscles up here, the back of your throat. Also try to make it as deep as possible and go deeper and deeper and kind of force yourself. The second exercise would be to start with your normal speaking tone and then try to decrease it over time. It goes like this. You do this for 10 or 15 or 20 seconds, and then you go on to making it deeper. 10, 15 seconds and then lower. And then like this. So what I'm guessing is gonna happen here is that you don't actually take your voice straight to the deep tones, but you're actually trying to hit those normal ones and then try to adapt your voice and your throat muscles slowly, one by one. It just goes deeper and lower and lower. That's it. The next exercise would be, what's the name? Is it like the monkey chant or whatever? This is very cringy, but bear with me. So you go very deep and try to use as much of your throat muscles as you can, and it goes more or less like this. And obviously you can do this louder. The exercise number 4 is, well, I actually don't do this exercise too much, but I found it on the internet and it might be helpful to you. You take your palm, you place it on your forehead, and then you try to push it with your head, which means basically you're trying to put or push with your neck muscles in here, and it's supposed to somehow stretch it and make it deeper. So you go like this. What's happening is basically you're trying to push with this palm these muscles, but they're gonna contradict or contract against your pressure, and they're gonna go in the opposite direction and basically exercise and practice these muscles. That's gonna be it from me for this video. If there's only one thing I want you to take away from this video, is to have a deeper voice, you have to slow it down and take a deep breath. And the rest is practice, consistency, and genetics, etc., etc. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.